I'm Spades, and I've been asked by my good friends at Season Car Hire to check out these 3 supercars and tell them which one of them is the loudest and which one sounds like a beast. Today we've got the Mclaren Spider, the Lamborghini Gallardo, and we've got the Ferrari 458, all in all black. Looks wise, I think I'll go for the Lamborghini. Well, let's check them out and see which one of them is the beast. So as I was saying before, this is the first car we're going to review today, which is the Ferrari 458. This car's excellent. We're going to have a start the engine and have a listen and see what that sounds like. So you lot, open ears, let's have a listen. There you have it. I just finished doing a Ferrari 458. We just had a sound check of the engine to see what the engine sounds like. It sounds like a beast. I don't know about you, but I love this car. But we're going to go over there now and see what the Lamborghini's got to say about all of this. So follow me. Yeah, so I just finished doing the Ferrari. Now we're in the Lamborghini. We're gonna give it a sound check to see what the engine sounds like underneath here. So let's start this baby up and hear what the beast has got to say. Yeah? Right, so now we've heard the Lamborghini engine. I'm gonna have to part ways, I'm heartbroken, but now we've got to move over to the McLaren and have a listen to that, see what the McLaren engine sounds like. Now we listen to the Ferrari, we listen to the Lamborghini, we're going to start the McLaren and see what the McLaren's got to say about all this. We've heard what the Lamborghini's got to say, we've heard the Ferrari, we've heard what the McLaren's got to say. Now it's for you, the people, to hit us up and let us know what you think about these cars and which one you think is the loudest.